we have an unboxing video. You can pretty much tell what we are going to be unboxing today due to the title down there. And yes, there will be an unboxing part of the video. I am not going to trick you guys or anything like that. You obviously know me. I don't really like to do those, and it's a shame for the people that do that, and the shame that people have to do it for a living. So today I went to Big Lots, actually, and I found some Power Ranger DVDs. Long story short, I actually grew up with Power Rangers, and when I first was getting into them, I could have sworn I wasn't really watching them as much at first, because I remember the early seasons I missed out on. I don't know why, and I think that's one of the reasons why the older seasons were my favorite, I guess, because I really liked Power Rangers Zeo. I really liked Power Rangers Turbo. I really liked Power Rangers in Space. I think I liked Mighty Morphin Power Rangers also. I think back then I also liked the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie. I'm not sure if I've seen the Power Rangers Turbo movie. But I believe my most favorite older season of Power Rangers has to be Power Rangers Zeo. Or maybe it's a tie between Power Rangers Zeo and Power Rangers in Space, but I think if I had to pick one of the two, I think it has to go to these guys. And at first, after I bought these, I thought I was missing a third volume. But just before recording this, I actually noticed that these are actually the two volumes of Power Rangers Zeo, because this one on the back, it says the first 25 episodes, and this one says the final 25 episodes. Before I get to the unboxing part, I just want to apologize that I don't try to edit out any of my ums and uhs or pauses or anything like that. And I also apologize that I make this unboxing video sort of longer than it needs to be, because, you know, I want to, anytime I can with the video, I want to try to stretch it out for 20 minutes or more. In fact, I can't wait to see how long this recording actually was before I try to upload it. I don't think I'm going to edit it at all. I think I'm gonna leave it like it is, just because of I want to leave it longer, because the whole watch minutes algorithm thing. But this video will have one difference from the vlogs that I do. One important difference is that I don't think I've used any kind of profanity in this video so far, and I'm gonna try my best not to, because I want to be able to monetize this video. And if there is anything that I can possibly do to try my best not to be affected by the YouTube ad boycott, is to follow those guidelines, like to not use profanity or vulgar language, which that one is very easy to that guideline is very easy to go by. The other ones I'm kind of confused about, like sensitive topics and all the other guidelines that they say. I don't believe I have any. I don't have to worry about the other ones because I don't try to put any offensive stuff in my videos anyway. Just the only thing really that would keep my video from being monetized right now would be profanity. And actually, I was going to bring out a letter opener at the beginning of this video because there is an unboxing after I'm done with what I have to say and stuff. But I was realizing that there's like a guideline that has to do with like can't have weapons or anything of any kind. And with how paranoid I am, I feel like they might consider a letter opener as a weapon, even though I am gonna just want to use the letter opener just to open these DVDs here. So I'm not gonna use a letter opener for this video. And also, there should be a few more unboxing videos coming up, because there are 3 LEGO Classic sets that I need to get my hands on, because I want to get them anyway, not just the unboxing part of it. I believe one of the LEGO Classic sets that's fairly new that I want to get is out right now, but it's only it's only a Toys R Us exclusive. But I really do need to get my hands on that set. But there's two other Lego Classic sets that have yet to come out. I think they're for a summer 2017 release. And I don't want to buy those little $5 Lego Classic sets. I have no interest at all in buying any of them. I have no interest in getting them at all. And while we're on the subject of upcoming videos, before I get into the unboxing of these DVDs, I've been thinking about it really, really hard. I don't think I'm going to be able to make any sort of video that has to do with Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 unless I try to make a sort of video about that movie and have it to come out when the movie's about to come out on Blu-ray and DVD. But I was thinking about what I want to possibly do for May 4th, also known as May the 4th Be With You, which is on a Sunday. I mean, not a Sunday, a Thursday this year. I have a little bit of a concern for that video. I feel like, even though I'm gonna try my best to go to the Lego store as early as I possibly can and get a few of the new Lego Star Wars sets for summer 2017, if they even release those sets on May 4th. I feel like I might be late for the party for uploading my May the 4th Be With You video. Even though I'm gonna upload it in the afternoon, it'll just be sort of a Lego Star Wars only haul. But I want to try and unbox the sets that I buy. Would you guys be interested in watching a video that I try to put out on May 4th? Will you still watch it? Will you still try to share it? I know I will try to share it in my Lego group. Down in the description below, by the way. But, you know, I only have like under 50 people in that group. I'm trying to get more notice, trying to get more people to join it. And, so far I think that's pretty much all I have to really discuss before the unboxing portion of the video. So now, time to unbox these beauties. The floor is kinda damp because someone in my family sprayed a little chemical on the carpet, but I am on a mission to bring this video to you all. I thought this would be a cool thing to unbox for you guys. So, you could obviously tell that I bought these at Big Lots. Alright, so I'm just gonna read the back of the DVD on one of them because they have the same description. But before I do that, I will open. Includes the first 25 episodes. The Power Rangers face off against the dreaded villains King Mondo and Queen Machina, a malevolent pair who rule over the Machine and Empire. This fearsome empire full of robots is menacing enough to scare Lord Zed and Rita Repulsa into fleeing with their forces, abandoning the moon to these metallic conquerors, joined by their bratty offspring Prince Sprocket. King Mondo and Queen Machina command a fearless army of cogs, relentless robots dedicated in their master's evil plans to dominate the universe with... I'm not gonna read it after all, I'm sorry. Let's just open this up. I apologize for starting to read that and then all of a sudden not reading it after all. Oh, it came off pretty easily. And what will you get in this? The same thing. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching, especially this long, drawn out unboxing video. I had to make it longer. I apologize, but I'm glad you still watched it anyway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.